Good morning, students. As your chapter 3 is completed up to exercise 3.2, today we are going to start exercise 3.3. Here we will learn a method to solve a pair of linear equation in two variable. The method to solve these equations are: the first method is substitution method, and second method is elimination method. And the third method is cross multiplication method. Now listen, when in exam a particular method is not mentioned, then you are free to solve your question by any of the method. You can apply any method if the name of the method is not written there. Meaning जब आपको एग्जाम में ये नहीं बोला जाए कि you which method you have to use, then you are free to use any method. And today we are going to discuss substitution method. For this method, what we have to do? In this method, suppose we are having two linear equations. Suppose I am having 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. And my another equation is 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. For this method, I have to separate any one of the variable from any one equation. मीनिंग इस मेथड में हम क्या करते हैं, अपनी गिवन टू इक्वेशंस में से किसी भी एक इक्वेशन में से किसी एक वेरिएबल की वैल्यू को सेपरेट करते हैं एंड देन उस वैल्यू को दूसरी इक्वेशन में पुट करते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन. मीनिंग वो वैल्यू जो सेपरेट करने से आई है उसको दूसरी इक्वेशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, मीनिंग पुट करना है. सो अब देखो इसमें फर्स्ट इक्वेशन से मैंने y को सेपरेट कर लिया. आई विल गेट 5 माइनस 2x. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 3. अब ये इक्वेशन 3 से जो y की वैल्यू है वो इक्वेशन 2 में पुट करेंगे. बिकॉज इक्वेशन 1 से हमने सेपरेट किया है तो इक्वेशन 2 में पुट करना है. पुटिंग y इज इक्वल टू 5 माइनस 2x इन इक्वेशन 2. और आप किसी भी इक्वेशन में से सेपरेट कर सकते हैं, बस जिसमें से सेपरेट किया है उससे अनदर वाली में वैल्यू को पुट करना है. नाउ देयर इज नेगेटिव साइन, सो वी हैव टू पुट द ब्रैकेट. ओपन द ब्रैकेट. Here you can see that our equation is in only one variable, that is x. So it will be 5x minus 4 is equal to 0 and you get x is equal to 4 by 5. Therefore we have find the value of x. Now we have to find the value of y. Again putting x is equal to 4 by 5 in equation 3. You can put this value in any of the equation. इक्वेशन 1 में, 2 में और 3 में किसी में भी पुट कर सकते हैं. बट 3 में क्यों पुट किया है? बिकॉज इट इज ऑलरेडी सेपरेटेड फॉर y. Here we have to take the LCM and you get 17 by 5. So x is 4 by 5 and y is 17 by 5. Let us try some more question based on this method. Let us start exercise 3.3 question number 1. Here solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method. Meaning method name is mentioned. So I have to use only substitution method. And solve a pair of linear equations का meaning होता है बेटा कि उस इक्वेशन में जो टू वेरिएबल्स हैं यू हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ दोज वेरिएबल्स. Here I am taking second part of question number 1, that is s minus t is equal to 3, and second equation is s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. First of all, I am separating s from equation number 1. This is my equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now s is 3 plus t. Now save this value and give it number 3. But before putting this value, I am going to take the LCM, or you can directly put that value. Here I am putting the value directly. Putting s is equal to 3 plus t in equation 2. S by 3 plus, sorry, s I have to put 3 plus t. Now take the LCM. कंप्लीट इक्वेशन का एलसीएम हम ले सकते हैं, तो इट विल बी 2 इंटू 3 प्लस टी प्लस 3t is equal to 6 into 6, it will become 36. And in next step we can leave this LCM. 6 plus 2t plus 3t is equal to 36, and we get 5t is equal to 36 minus 6. 5t is equal to 30, and t will be 30 by 5, so t is 6. Now putting t is equal to 6 in equation 3, we get s is equal to 3 plus 6, s is 9. So s is equal to 9 and t is equal to t is our final answer. Here I am going to tell part number 5 of question number 1. There are two equations, and from equation 1 I have separated x. So this is equation number 3. Now putting x is equal to minus root 3 by root 2 into y in equation 2, because 1 में से सेपरेट किया है वैल्यू को, तो इक्वेशन 2 में पुट करना है. Now root 3 into root 3, it will become minus 3y by root 2 minus root 8y is equal to 0. Now root 2 will be the LCM. So you will get minus 3y minus root 2 will be multiplied by this. It will be root 16. And when you multiply it by 0, it will become 0. Minus 3y minus 4y is equal to 0. And we get minus 7y is equal to 0. Finally, we get y is equal to 0. Now put it in equation 3. Putting in equation 3, we get x is equal to minus root 3 by root 2 into 0, and it will also be 0. So x is 0 and y is also 0. You have to try remaining parts of this question yourself. For part 6, you can take the LCM first and then separate the variable and put its value. Now come to question number 2.